I've been trialing this brand new geranium. It's called Pretty Little, and it really is just that. The Pretty Little series have been selected for compact, small, bubble-like plants that never get leggy. They've got smaller blooms than a standard geranium, but that means you get twice as many. Incredibly weatherproof. A downpour of rain will not bother this geranium at all. Hot pink magenta blooms with that inner circle are absolutely divine, and they're produced in profusion from June through to September. You can even save the plants for year two if you like. The Pretty Little series is the perfect companion to your summer sunbathing. It fits perfectly against any sun lounger. Bright, vivid colors remind you of your favorite cocktail, and remember, this is going to keep giving you that flower performance throughout the summer and beyond. So if you're still sitting outside in October in your sun lounger, it'll still be in flower even if you're not. Pretty Little geranium is perfect for your xeriscaping needs because it's incredibly drought tolerant. So you can plant this alongside xeriscaping stars such as mangava, sedum, phormium and calicifalis. Having that balance of the foliage with the hot pink flowers is just amazing. Pretty Little is also perfect for your beds and borders because that multi-branching habit and that weather tolerance means it will go on much longer and cover the ground, giving the weeds a run for their money. Pretty Little has really unusual genetics. It's a hybrid between zonal upright geraniums and trailing geraniums. So that's what gives it that lovely bubble habit. So it's just at home in a hanging basket as it is in a patio pot. And the most natural use for Pretty Little geranium is as a decoration for your favorite cocktail. Find out more about this geranium at mrplantgeek.com.